Title: ɡlɛr, when light commands attention. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡlɛr. Ɡlɛr refers to the harsh, blinding, or intense light that makes it difficult to see or can be uncomfortable to the eyes. It's a term that signifies the power and impact of light. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡlɛr is simple, ɡlɛr, with a soft G and a long A. Use in a sentence. For example, the glare of the sun on the water's surface was so strong that it required sunglasses for comfort and safety. Importance: ɡlɛr can affect visibility and comfort, making it important to manage and mitigate in various situations, from driving to architectural design. Conclusion: in summary, ɡlɛr is a word that represents the commanding presence of intense light. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, respect the power of ɡlɛr and its influence on our daily experiences.